Howdy team. I want to take a few minutes and share with you the benefits and features of our pre-configured wiring harnesses. StrobeLink is an all-in-one light kit that offers a blend of customization and installation efficiency. With this design, it will eliminate cutting, splicing, and prefabrication needs that extend the length of time it takes you to install aftermarket lights on a vehicle. StrobeLink has two main harnesses, option A and option B. If you're needing to mount a mini bar on the roof of a vehicle along with surface mount lighting for your four corner requirements, option A is your best friend. If all you need is just surface mounts around your vehicle, option B will make this so easy. Let's first talk about option A. We have created a harness that allows you to install either 4, 6, or 8 perimeter strobes and one mini bar. All of the cables and adapters to install these are included. All you need is some zip ties. A simple controller is attached to the harness, but can be easily replaced with a pigtail that is included so that you can use the existing upfitter switches from the vehicle to turn the lights on or off. All the connectors using our harness and our lights are IP69 rated. Type B is specifically made with just perimeter lights in mind. The mini bar wire is not included on the harness, but instead switches out for a third wire that can be used for lights in the middle of the vehicle. This is a perfect application for headache rack mounting lights or side steps mounting for full 360 coverage on the vehicle. For safety reasons, the harnesses have been UL 2517 PVC insulated. They have a UL fire resistant rating. They're ROHS compliance. And they have a 5-year warranty. Starting with just a basic 4-light harness, the wire covers 41 feet from head to toe. We have additional extensions that can be added in 7-foot increments. Now for the mini bar, we also have additional 16-foot wire and a 7-foot wiring extension. Now let's talk about using our harnesses with other lighting manufacturer brands. We understand that we are newer to the market than the other brand names. With this in mind, we've created a 16-inch pigtail that enables you to connect other manufacturers' lights to our harness. This goal is to reduce installation time by having the wiring ready to go for the installer. With the addition of StrobeLink brackets in the grille, you can reduce install time by at least a third. If you can reduce the time it takes for you to install the lights on the vehicle while also creating a more consistent end product, then we believe we have fulfilled our goal with our products. Now, for those of you that are very experienced upfitters, I understand what you think about our products. You don't need this in your shop. Well, let me show you a few reasons why. These are 5-wire harnesses that have a specific use in our controllers, but can easily be connected onto other manufacturers' controlling systems to result in many other lighting setups. This can be a huge time saver when you're installing more than 10 lights on a vehicle. I hope this has been very informational, and we look forward to working with you, no matter what your experience level is. Whether you're the DIYer, want to do it in your garage, or you're EVT certified, the BUILTBRIGHT StrobeLink harness can change the way you do business. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or my team so we can best assist. Thank you for your time, and remember, if you're going to build it bright.